Right guys, anyway, welcome back to Exploring with Jake on this little mad adventure. We are going to take you around some outhouses that was attached to the abandoned farm over there. Obviously, nature has taken back over there, so you can't get in. But thanks for joining, let's take you around it anyway. Peace.
You have to hold it like that, otherwise it puts your head off.
Yeah.
I've been holding it wrong all day.
Right guys, we're going to take you to an abandoned farm over there. But yeah, we're going to take you to a farm. Some outbuildings. Got the troughs there where the animals would eat out of. The water trough. Food troughs have gone off the wall. Obviously you see these metal bits here guys. This is where the food would have been. Yeah, this is a little bit of a crazy one, this, to be fair guys. Yeah. Oh, the leg. Oh. Well, there's the old house. Old house is there. Check this out. Wow, look at that guys. Look at this bad boy. Two of them. Look at that. It's an old. Sure, that's an old tractor. That. No, it's got.
Look at the tyre on that.
No.
Skinny and weird.
It's cool, isn't it? I know. Look at this, guys. Anyway. What? I know the abandoned house. We found some horse riding stuff. We've got a horse riding hat here. A little bit. I don't know, I think that's for dragging the trailers. And obviously in here you've got another part of it. You've got a bit of horse riding equipment there on the walls. Anyway guys, that old trailer with the horse gear. So we're going to move on to the next outhouses through the swamp. Oh yeah? Okay guys, oh, he's disappeared. Oh, he's got there he is. 1 minute, 1 minute. Stay there, mate. Stay there. Oh, you little fucker. Little bastard's got off. Trying to get a picture of a little red robin. But he wouldn't stay still for us. But we're going to take you into another part of the stables, outbuilding. Not really much in that. As you can see, a bit of asbestos. This is the coal shed. You see all the coal all over the floor. Guys, we've just seen an owl. He just flew all the way through. Oh, you can't even get up that side. Gutted. I'm gonna go round anyway. Yeah, come out of nowhere, him. It was an owl in here, guys, anyway. Literally. Thanks for joining us on this little mad adventure anyway. This is the end of the video, but don't forget to subscribe to me, subscribe to Curvex UK. Hello. You know the one. Hope you like the adventure. Peace.